For this getting ready for kindergarten activity, you'll use the picture cards and letters to have your child identify the ending sound they hear. We'll skip using a few cards, so please set aside the following cards: X-ray, rainbow, igloo, tooth, and watch cards. Choose 8 picture cards. Look at the card, identify the picture, say the word, and then slowly say the word, emphasizing the ending sound. Let's give it a try. Heart. Heart. I hear the sound T at the end of heart. The letter T makes the sound for T. Now, you will show your child a card and ask them what they see. Your child will say fork. Ask them to say the word slowly, emphasizing the ending sound. Fork. Ask what sound they hear at the end of the word. Your child should say K. And then ask what letter makes that sound. Your child should choose the letter K for the ending sound in fork. Make practicing ending sounds part of your daily routine. Choose 8 different cards a day and practice and repeat any challenging cards. As your child advances, have them identify the sound and the letter, and then practice writing the letter using an erasable marker or their finger. Once you make your way through the picture cards, practice with items around the house. To rewatch this video and find more resources, go to palmbeachschools.org/kindergarten, and happy practicing.